So hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget that it's your girl Memi girls. Okay y'all, so today this video is going to be something kind of exciting. I told you guys that I wanted to start getting into doing my hair more frequently on YouTube, so yeah, let's do that. So I know y'all see me with this bonnet. Y'all like, what you about to do? Okay, of course I'm about to do my hair. So I got my bonnet on. But first, let me tell you all the things. So I will be actually installing a half wig. Let me show you the half wig that I have. So this is the Curls and Kinks half wig. Super cute, y'all. I love it. I have actually applied this wig already. Not this particular one, but I have another one that I applied, and it's a little longer. This is the shortest style, so I have not applied this one yet. Well, this is Top Lady. I got her in the color 1, and yeah, it's a half wig. The texture is 3B to 4C curl texture. Y'all, this matches my hair texture really, really well. I did purchase this off of Amazon, and it was like, I think it was under $30. I don't even know if it was $20, but girl, let's just say under 30 because I can't remember. So let's start off with showing you guys all the items that I'll be using to actually do my hair. So you will need a paddle brush, a hard bristle brush, an edge brush, a rat tail comb, girl. And then you will need some rubber bands. You will need some type of flat iron to curl your hair. Basque and leather. Girl, if you have not heard about this basque and leather, I have a video on this. I have shorts on this. This is the A1 sauce for your edges. Like, I promise you, y'all, it's so freaking good. I love this stuff. Like, and y'all know I'm an edge girl, so I know what I'm talking about. And then I'm going to be using this Let's Jam. This is in the extra hold. So yeah, let's get started. No. Okay, so okay. So yeah, let's get into it. So let's take this. And the style I'm going for, I think I'm going to do 2 ponytails. So I'm going to part my hair in the middle, like so. Y'all, I've been using like this product on my edges. Well, 2 products on my edges. Let me just tell y'all. Girl, it's the best. It's the best. I'm going to do an update video. I don't even know if I took pictures of how my edges was looking before. They have grown in so much. I am so happy with my hair. So now I'm just going to like take out a section of the front of my hair. So pretty much small sections though, girl. So like I said, this is my second time actually applying a half wig. And let's just say the first time wasn't that great, but girl, I kind of know what I'm doing now. So you see I have this part sectioned off, and then I have this side sectioned off. Okay, y'all see that? But really and truly, I'm going to do like, I'm going to section it off just so I have like two buns up at the top. Because I noticed that when I done it the first time, I didn't even really need my edges out at all. So now I have 2 little squares. If your hair needs some type of oil, I would say go ahead and put a little oil on the ends. I think I'm going to put a little bit more, even though I already said I had oil. I love to use this oil too. This oil is the African Pride. This is a Feel It formula. It has peppermint, rosemary, and it has sage. It's a strengthening balm. Yo, I like this stuff too. This stuff is freaking good as heck. But I'm just going to apply this to my ends. Even though I said I did this earlier, girl. But it won't hurt. Okay. Just to the ends. That's good. So now I'm just going to put my hair in a low ponytail. Then you have your ends. Your ends are out. So what I'm going to do is just grab them and put them in like a braid. So I have this wig cap. What I'm gonna do is pull up your hair and just apply the wig cap on. Like, I would say like right about there. So now we're about to focus on these ponytails. Yeah. So I'm gonna use a little bit of jam. When I get close to like the front of my hair, I'm gonna use the basking leather, because this stuff make your hair sleek on the edges. And then I'm gonna use the hard side of that bristle brush and kind of just brush the edges in. Brush all that product in the edges. And I'm gonna take a rubber band, girl, and just make you a little ponytail. Okay, and then that's perfect. Use this Rust Thermal Flat Iron Protector. If your hair is thicker than mine, then of course you probably gonna need to take more sections and just curl it. So now, girl, we got that done pretty much. It is time to apply this wig. So it does come with a hairnet, which is always good, girl. Keep your hairnet because you can put the halfway back in there. So like I said, the color is, y'all see that? That's what I'm talking about. So the construction of the wig, it has a comb at the top, and at the bottom it has another comb. It does have these adjustable things on the sides where you can adjust the cap if you have a larger head or a smaller head. I usually just keep it how it is. It is a breathable dome cap, so you won't be too hot. I got all these little things in it. You won't be too hot in it because it's breathable. So let's go ahead and apply this. So what you're gonna do is apply like right there. Stick the combs in, girl. You need the combs. Sorry, baby, but you need the combs. And then you put the combs in the back. And look how cute and short it is. I love it. And then what I'm going to do is it's kind of like in the center. I'm going to take those little, like take some hair from the back, I would say. Not too much, just some. So you can have this. And then, can y'all see that? Did y'all see anything I just did? So I took some hair from the back of the wig and I'm bringing it to the front now. And I'm grabbing my real hair with the weave, and then I'm going to get an elastic and just put it all in a ponytail. Y'all see that? The other side the same way. Grab some hair. So now I have my hair like this. Looks cute, right? Then I know you guys is like, we can see that thing. What you do is back comb it. Until you really can't see that part. And take your fingers and kind of like comb out the hair. Like, dang, your real hair is out. So what I'm gonna do with my real hair is kind of tuck it. You can tuck it under that wig some. With the longer wig, I didn't have to do that, but clearly I'm gonna have to do that with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just tuck this under the wig, like, and that's better because I didn't even. So that, yeah, I like that. And then this side, I'm going to do the same. Tuck it up under the wig. So girl, you didn't even have to use no heat. If I didn't want to. Great, I like that. I like that a lot. Ooh, this is so freaking cute. I like how short it is. Because that was my problem before. I felt like it was kind of like too long. That's so cute. Okay, and then, and I feel like this is one of those wigs, like the older it gets, the better it'll look. But yeah, there we go. That's that. Skin leather girl, you gotta use this on your edges. So you can just brush that back. And when the wind hit, it won't even be that bad, y'all, I promise you. Cause the wind is gonna be blowing it. Look, see how? Girl, you good. You so good. So, and then with this, I'm gonna bring these. Sometimes I feel like the edges kind of tie in a look to me. I know a lot of people don't like the edges. You don't have to do edges if you don't want them. But edges, to me, is cute. I like it. This girl. Well, at least I do. Okay. And then I know y'all have seen my haul. I had a haul where I bought these little cute things for my hair. These clips to cover up those bands up there. Or clips too. These clips are cute. Or I can use just bows. But I think what I'm going to use is these. And this is the look. If you want your edges to stay down like this, you probably should go ahead and tie them down. And then, girl, they'd be set. They'd be set for hours. I promise you. Because, girl, what I'm sure I will. Oh, yeah, it's cute. I love it. Oh, it's so cute. That's good. And you can actually, if you don't want to do the ponytails, you can actually, like, you can wear one. You can wear it actually as a half wig if you want to. Just straighten out your hair just a tad bit. But this is how I'm going to wear it because it just looks cute. I love it. It's so freaking cute. It looks adorable. But anyways, like I said, if you want to see more videos, girl, I'm feeling myself now. But if you would like to see more videos like this, girl, leave a comment down below. This is a quick, simple, easy look that you can do on your hair, girl. Just get you that halfway from Amazon, you know. Amazon be coming through with the fast shipping too, girl. So last minute hairstyles if you need one. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you tell your mama, your sister, your kin, and all of them that it's Memi girls, okay? And like I said, if you want to see more videos like this, just tell me, girl, so I know. I enjoyed doing this video. If you want to see me install the longer unit, I can show that one too, me install, but it's pretty much the same thing. It's just, like I said, it's just longer. I'm Memi Crew. That's Memi Crew. Bye, y'all. Love you all.